Hi there, gorgeous! Hope you're having a fabulous day. In today's video, I'm trying something completely different from what I usually do, and stepping outside my wheelhouse, I wanted to do flower liner in honor of spring and Easter that's coming up. And if you're attending a spring wedding for that matter too, I mean, this is such a great way to make an impactful statement with your eyes. And I mean, I would wear this every day too if I had the time to put it on. It's simply breathtaking. So I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to do it. It's actually not as hard as you may think that it is once you get accustomed to using the liner, and you'll see in the tutorial, but it's actually really easy, so don't psych yourself out. If I can do it, you absolutely can do it, and I hope that you will enjoy this and find it inspirational.
All right, first things first, we are applying an eyeshadow primer. And then I'm applying a neutral shade all over my eyes. I'm using one from my Viseart Neutral Matte palette. You can use any eyeshadow you want. It does not have to be neutral. I'm simply using this one because I wanted the flower liner to really stand out. I am also placing a lot of emphasis on drawing it out into the outer V. As you can see here, I'm forming a triangular shape, and that's because first time I tried doing this, the liner didn't show up as well without having something underneath it. And so that's what I found worked for me. And so there you can see that triangular shape being formed by the eyeshadow. For the liner, I'm using a variety of different ones from NYX's Vivid Brights collection. I'm also using one of their Epic Wear eyeliners in white. And this is something that you can try before you create this look. Take the eyeshadow that you want to use, put it on the back of your hand, and then apply your liquid liners over the top of it to see which ones will really pop and stand out on top of that eyeshadow. Then just draw it on. Best advice I have for you for recreating this kind of look is to use the tip of the liner to your advantage. So start with dots of liner, controlled dots, and then go from there. It's not hard to make tiny dots with the liner. It's a very pigmented liner, so it does not require much product, which is really nice. And if you rest your hand on your face, it does help to steady it a bit also. But just take your time, don't rush if you don't have to. If you have just a quiet morning, afternoon, evening where you can play around and do something new, interesting, and fun, this is so relaxing. It's amazing. It's like coloring in one of those coloring books. That's what it's like. And so I'm drawing random flowers, but I'm focusing on creating a winged shape with them. You can see that they are forming a wing-like shape. So I waited until the pink eyeliner had dried fully before I went back and added the yellow to the centers of the flowers, because I found that if you apply the yellow before the pink has dried, then they can end up running together. So best practice there, just wait until everything dries before applying your next color. Then I went back with the green eyeliner and drew some teardrop shapes to mimic what would be leaves around the flowers. And I wanted to add some dimension to those leaves, so I took a little bit of the white eyeliner and drew a small stripe right down the middle of where the leaf would be, and that really did make them pop off of my eyes. Then I went back and added some random white dots to give the look some character, because, you know, gotta have some character. Then I went back with some of the eyeshadow I used in the beginning and brushed it along the lower lash line. And I added some gems, about 3 per eye, sporadically mixed within the flower design to give the eyes a bit of sparkle.
If you are interested in anything else that I applied on my face today, I know I didn't get to show you the full face tutorial with this video, but I will have everything listed for you below in the description box for those who are interested. If you enjoyed today's video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up and please comment below. Let me know if there are other ideas that inspire you based off of this video that you would like to see me do in the future, or anything else completely random. Would love to hear your thoughts for future ideas. You always have such great ideas, so I really appreciate when you share them with me, and I feel incredibly blessed to have so many of you with so many creative brains around me. It's utterly amazing. So thank you so much for your input. I'm hoping you have a beautifully blessed weekend ahead. Thank you so much for being here, for taking the time to watch, and look forward to seeing you again next week.